Kumpiyansa ang Commission on Higher Education na mas tataas pa ang kalidad ng edukasyon ng Pilipinas sa pamamagitan ng kasunduang ikinasa ng CHED at Professional Regulation Commission o PRC na titiyak sa Quality Licensure Program sa mga higher education institutions. Sa bagong Joint Circular, lahat ng HEIs ay kailangang kumuha ng Certificate of Program Compliance o CHED Quality Assurance Certification. Ito'y bilang tugon ng ahensya sa pangako nila na maging bahagi ng legasiya ng pamahalaang Marcos Jr. ang isang competitive education para sa mga kabataan. Ayon kay CHED Chairperson Prospero de Vera III, palalakasin nito ang monitoring at compliance mechanism sa mga state universities at colleges at local universities and colleges. Binigyan din niya na dapat tiyakin ng mga paaralan ang pagkakaroon ng kwalipikadong guro, sapat na pasilidad at updated na curriculum. Lahat ng HEIs ay may hanggang September lamang para makasunod sa patakaran dahil kung hindi ay maaring ipasara ang kanilang programa.
Quality assurance does not end with opening degree programs. It also includes closing degree programs that are not good. That is part of quality assurance. So we expect them to have quality assurance in place. If they cannot meet it, we expect the board to act on it and phase out the program. Kung hindi maka-comply. So all of these are now within the jurisdiction of their board of regents. And many schools actually have closed down programs which they feel they cannot comply with.